Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line finished in smoky grey. We've currently got for sale featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And starting off at the front of the vehicle is LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side are power folding heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. We've also got these lovely 16-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Moving inside, signature R-Line upholstery with a park cloth and Alcantara, and there's a couple of USB-C ports in the back for rear passengers. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. And just behind the wheels a full digital display housing all your vital driving information. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's also plenty of assistance systems on board to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist and much more. You've even got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below, with a couple more USB-C ports and also wireless phone charging. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.